Even the most creative ideas or business plans can only help a startup business progress so far. As a result, it's almost inevitable that your business will need funding to grow. One of the most prominent challenges entrepreneurs face is raising money for business ideas or growth. Unless you're independently wealthy, you will need a helping hand. But where to start? If you're wondering how to raise money for a business, we've compiled a list of some business fundraising channels you can take advantage of. Welcome back to Entrepreneurship 101. Today's we'll talk about when and how to raise money for your startup. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Number 1. Crowdfunding. If you have strong convictions about an idea, use the power of the internet to raise the funds you need. In recent years, crowdfunding sites like GoFundMe have become increasingly popular with inventors, entrepreneurs, and the general public. They're easy to set up, and if you can communicate your passion in your fundraiser description, you may be able to generate support from people all over the world. Moreover, you can ask friends and family to contribute to your crowdfunding efforts or borrow from them directly. People you know are often the best and safest way to raise money. Not only will they be more open to your proposal, but they have also likely seen your effort and dedication. Number 2. Angel investors. Angel investors provide capital for a business startup in exchange for convertible debt or ownership equity. Many of the biggest tech companies today, like Google and Yahoo, were funded by angels. Looking for a way to raise money for a business that already shows growth? Angel investors are a favorable option. Number 3. Bootstrapping. Bootstrapping is likely the best option to raise money for a business if you don't want to give up any form of ownership or independence. It involves using your resources. This may mean pulling from your savings or taking out a mortgage on your assets. Number 4. Venture capitalists. Like angel investors, venture capitalists provide capital to startups in early stage and emerging companies with high growth potential. The difference is that they generally offer financing that often has higher rates of return instead of taking a share of the company. However, some may take an ownership share of the company. Number 5. Microloans. There are numerous microloan options for those looking to raise money for business growth or expansion. Loans remain a core option for businesses because they usually come with fewer strings attached, shorter payment periods, and in some cases, medium to low interest rates. Number 6. Small Business Administration (SBA). Government programs are a channel worth investigating if you're asking yourself how to raise funds for business growth. You can turn to the SBA grants programs, but remember that they are highly competitive. Another way of raising money for a business through government assistance is through SBA lending. However, it's important to note that interest rates are slightly higher than most banks. How to raise funds for a business that is growing. If you're looking for how to raise money for business growth, explore the following options. Number 1. Purchase order financing. Purchase order financing is perfect for businesses with large product orders coming in regularly but not enough cash to cover the production of products until a payment from the customer comes through. How it works is that a purchase order financing company will pay your supplier the cost to produce the product. When the product is made and shipped to your customer, your business invoices the customer and receives payment. That payment is then used to pay back the purchase order financing company. While it's not the most affordable way for a business to borrow money, it is a viable option for those unable to qualify for cheaper financing to fulfill an order. Number 2. Contests. Business contests are a great way to get funding because the prize money comes with few conditions. Contests usually encourage creative businesses or social enterprises to take part. Number 3. Product pre-sales. Borrow a page from big names in tech and offer customers the option to pre-order products before they launch or hit the shelves. Not only does this raise the money needed to fulfill these orders, but it also offers companies a way to gauge the demand for their product. Number 4. Strategic partners. Strategic partners come in many forms, from suppliers to distributors and customers. While it may not be direct funding, getting credit from your supply chain can help supplement your budget until your business is in a good place financially. Number 5. Incubator programs. Business incubators are programs that provide new businesses with the necessary resources to grow. Incubators benefit companies more than just financially. They also offer mentorship, network establishment, and relevant entrepreneurship training. Best practices for raising money for a business. Always practice due diligence. No matter what fundraising you do, always make sure you practice due diligence to ensure you are not getting the raw end of the deal. This is especially so with financing, venture capitalists, or angel investors. Ensure that bookkeeping is organized. Always do proper bookkeeping, whether you're a small business or bootstrapping. Financial lenders or investors first look at whether a company's books are in order. Fine-tune your business pitch. Refine your value proposition in your business pitch. Donors and investors want to know your impact and how their money will help you achieve it. Make sure to showcase the things that make your business unique. Use creativity for fundraising. Get creative with your fundraising efforts. Like in a business deal negotiation, it's about much more than simply asking for a check. Likewise, think outside of the box when exploring fundraising options. Share your enthusiasm. Express your passion and get your audience excited, especially when crowdfunding. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.